Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Clash Royale stuck at 50% on the iPhone, step by step. Now let's get started. Method 1. Switch internet connection. Step 1. If you're using mobile data, go ahead and turn it off, then enable your Wi-Fi connection. Step 2. If you are already on Wi-Fi, try turning it off and switching to mobile data instead. Step 3. Once you've switched, open Clash Royale and check if the loading issue is resolved. Method 2. Enable network access for Clash Royale. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on Cellular from the list of options. Step 3. Scroll down until you find Clash Royale. Step 4. Make sure the toggle next to Clash Royale is turned on to allow mobile data. Step 5. Go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Step 6. Scroll down again and select Background App Refresh. Step 7. Find Clash Royale in the list and make sure it's turned on. Step 8. Also check that Background App Refresh is set to use both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 9. Restart your iPhone and try opening the game again. Method 3. Offload and reinstall the app. Step 1. Go to Settings and tap on General. Step 2. Choose iPhone storage from the options. Step 3. Scroll through the apps or search for Clash Royale and tap on it. Step 4. Tap Offload app and confirm when prompted. Step 5. Once the offloading finishes, tap Reinstall app to put it back on your phone. Method 4. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app and go to General. Step 2. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Tap on Reset, then select Reset Network Settings from the list. Step 4. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset when asked. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful videos.